So there is an auxiliary plant which is butterfly. I've been growing since long, but this one is quite difficult to grow because since couple of weeks I've been watching this one. This one is having only one vines, but it's not getting bushy enough. Yeah. So in this video we are going to see how we can make this auxiliary plant to grow, multiply, and make it more bushy. So let's start this video. In this step, I will pull out the bulb of this plant carefully. Especially soil to be removed gently. Also need to make sure it should not get hurt any of the bulb of this plant. So we have successfully pulled out the plant out of the soil. It has healthy bulb which could grow a lot of vines, but unfortunately it didn't grow well that much. I need to look for more bulbs, if anything left inside the soil as broken part. Time to separate the bulbs from each, as there are a couple of parts I can see. You can easily separate the bulbs from each as they are slightly joined to each other. You can see the points that I can show you over here. Better to look for more bulbs if anything left inside this soil, so you can have more chances to grow a lot of bushy butterfly plants. So I've got another one which is having two bulbs together that we can easily separate one from each, so the number of multiplies of bulbs we can easily use to grow a lot. Now we have more than 5 bulbs, which are a great number to grow butterfly plants a little bit more. So I think you already saw it has some little soil inside that we need to wash actually. So let's spray with water to clean this bulb first, and then we can keep under sunlight for 10 to 15 minutes just to a little dry up. Time to mix the soil. For the soil details, you can watch our previous videos that I have given to the I button, so you can understand the process of soil making for the butterfly plants. Once we have completed the pot, let's put the bulbs gently top of the surface of soil and cover with very low amount of soil. Let's keep in a shade area so it grows up week after. Past weeks I was unable to take the shots of this plant updates, but the grasses also unable to grow here. As you can see, this is plain looks like. So this was the 4 vines that newly growing, and I'm expecting to take you through more updates in this video with the more branches. As this is only the 3rd week, so within next week or within next 2 to 3 days this will grow more massively that you can see in this video. So this was the mother plant, and this was growing from one bulb, and you can see the bushiness of this plant. So what we did is we have 4 newly grown bulbs in this new pot, as you can see. So from each bulb they will grow more massively as the mother plant. So we just need to wait for a couple of weeks to see the updates, but still I can show you the update of next 4 to 5 days, that how it grows the vines from each and every bulbs. So this was the mother plant, as you have saw. So this is only one bulb that multiply inside the soil, and what we have in next update is, you can see here the tiny more vines are coming up. They'll pop up after 1 week. So let's see. In this part I try to show you that there are a couple of more new bulbs are growing. That is really cute. I really like this. So guys, if you think you have got really some nice ideas to grow butterfly plants in your home and multiply them, then please make sure you subscribe this YouTube channel and like this video for more new updates from this channel.